What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be hurting some feelings, touching some feelings, and seeing what you guys think about our opinions. We're going to do a rate my ride. Yep. Haven't done one of these videos before. TikTok throws me all kinds of feeds of pictures of bikes, videos of bikes, not being ridden, just sitting there. Some of them are idling, some of them even, they're not even running. It's just a, hey, look at what I built. I'm really more impressed by the ride videos, but on YouTube, it seems like you post ride videos and nobody really has anything to say. So, in this video, we're going to be looking at some of these really cool tricked out rides that people have on TikTok. We're going to be going through the rides. We're going to be rating them on build quality, suspension style, different levels of build. From box stock, how original does it look, to, oh my God, that is so unique. So, you like ride content, build content, all kinds of off-road, 3- and 4-wheeler stuff, dirt bikes, hit that subscribe button, bell notification so that you know when videos are released. We've got thousands of videos on this channel. Go back through, check them out. We've got ATC national races. We've got 3-wheeler races, quad races, championship banquets, all kinds of different stuff on this channel. I'm a championship holder. I've got sponsored riders that are championship holders. We've got memberships available on the channel. Hit that join button if you want to really support the channel and become a member. Memberships get early releases, access to videos. They get discounts on parts and assistance on builds, troubleshooting, whatever you guys need that I can assist you with. I'm here for you. Members get priority. Subscribers, they get second priority. People that aren't subscribed, I'll help you out, but it's going to take a little bit longer because I've got a long list and a busy morning sometimes to get through this stuff. Let's get on to this video. Remember, don't be afraid to comment. I want to know what you guys think. Alright, first off, we have a Banshee. That was not a Banshee engine. What is that? That's not a Banshee engine. That looks like a twin-cylinder street bike engine. That would be an interesting, we got powder-coated beadlocks. Beautiful graphics, awesome accent colors, killer nerfs. This is a well-rounded street bike. This thing is definitely a road bike, so for those guys that go gooning around and stuff like that, this would be the build for you. Sounded like a 4-stroke, looks like a 4-stroke. The frame is completely modified. That is not a Banshee frame. What do we got? What do we got going on here? Yamaha Mist. Looks like Alba arms. Wannabe Elka shocks. So they didn't even go. Oh man, I really appreciate the effort, all the time and work. I hope that's quality suspension at least. I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comments. You think that's quality suspension or not? Graphics, colors, everything else on point. Absolutely gorgeous build. A few things I would have done differently, but we will definitely give this thing... We'll give this thing an 8.5 out of 10. Oh, we have a 250R build. Okay. Stock suspension, smoke top end. That's typical 250R. I mean, that's no big deal. Looks like they changed the year of the plastics, or they got race Honda plastics on it. 250R graphics. It's a race bike. Good deal. Good to see these things out on the track ripping around still. We got a TRX 450R. That would be first gen with the kicker. Elka shocks, Alba riser, Bicycle out hour meter. That's kind of neat. Nice powdered beadlocks. Pretty seat. Oh, what do we got here? Silicone hoses, a couple little bling pieces. Stock rear shock. Little red cap there. Not a whole lot. It's a clean build. Oversized tank. Heel guards. Oh, there we go. Beautiful inside and outside bead locks. That's what I like to see. We got the aftermarket exhaust. The rims are on point. No graphics, basic plastics. I like it. Very clean build. Suspension. He's got front shocks, nothing in the rear. Nerfs. The wheels are good. He gets bonuses for the wheels, but suspension, eh. I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. Yamaha YFZ. Does say Hauser. Got Fox floats. Inside outside bead locks. Those are 20s with big old gnarly knobbies. Oh, it's got the sprocket protector on it. This has got to be a GNCC bike. Oh, it's got the plugs on it. Mud plugs. See-through cover. Okay. Don't know what it's got for a rear shock. Big old gnarly case saver. Fancy seat cover. Cool graphics. Nothing too crazy. And yeah, Hauser front arms. We'll give this a really nice race build. We'll call this one. It's got a couple of nice little extras. We'll give this one 7.5 out of 10. Oh, we got another TRX 450. Oh, what did that say? Did that say 423? Rider number on the seat. Good extra. That's neat. Okay. I love the holographics. The hologram graphics are really cool. Elko's on the front. Not sure if those are stage 5s or just legacies. Legacies are just reworked stocks. So, yeah, not really impressed with legacy shocks. If they're stage 4, stage 5s, yeah, you'll get me. Axis, Fox, you'll get me with those. Peps, like beadlocks, they flip through too fast. I want to see the motor. We're looking at the wheels. There's a motor. Can't see much on the engine. So we don't know what's been done to the engine. Looks pretty stock. Again, with the red timing cover. Graphics are cool. Seats cool. We'll give this one a 7.5 out of 10 also. It's pretty. But we need really wow. Oh, here we go. Wait a minute. Hauser arms. Hints and clutch. There we go. Show me the close-ups. Hauser arms, Fox floats right off the bat. Full holographics YFZ. Okay. Hints and clutch cover. Hopefully there's a basket in there. WR suspension? What is that? Is this Europeans? Or are those just reworked floats? Rossier exhaust. Beautiful quad. No mud plugs. Wannabe. Oh, he lost me on the wheels. Yep, wannabe bead locks. No. Oh, lost me on the wheels. Motor looks pretty stock also. No blingy bling on that. Looks like an aftermarket steering stem. Got a lot of cool stuff, but it's missing a lot of cool stuff too. 7 out of 10 on this one. It's a shame. It had potential. Oh, box stock Quadzilla. That is clean. Plastics still have the shine. The graphics don't have any loss of color on them. Seat look beautiful. No rub marks on the frame. Ding, 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 ding. Oh man, lights, brackets. This is an absolute beautiful OEM box stock Quad Racer 500. Nine and a half. Nine. We'll give it a 9 out of 10. See the little boogers on the wheels. But that is absolutely gorgeous. Very minty quad. Not quite sure. I know the 250s had the foam on the front bumper. Did Quad Racer 500 come with the foam or not? Let me know down in the comments. Definitely clean. Could be a little bit better, but it's close. It's really close to a perfect build. Props on that one. And a nice 250R. That looks like a beautiful box stock one also. Spark busters are a nice touch. Oh, pep. It's got peps on the front. Oh, no way. 20s with beadlocks. Chromed out motor. HRC stickers. Oh. I don't see the reservoirs. Chrome arms. Those don't look factory. Carbon fiber top. Very clean. Little chintzy KC light. That's a little on the we're going to deduct points for that one. We'll give this one. I don't see reservoirs on this. So these could just be painted springs. 7 3/4 on this one. It's clean. It's just got a lot of further it could go. But it's clean and looks good. So yeah. Alright, let me know what you think down in the comments below. You gonna hang with those ratings? Would you go higher or lower? Remember, average is what the majority of race bikes look like. So if you want to be above average and have a big wow factor, you gotta have the wow factor and you gotta be on point. You can't do all this blingy blingy stuff and not have quality suspension under it. If you're running cheapy Alba arms when you can have Walsh or Rath or Hauser arms on it, yeah, run the better quality stuff. Don't cut corners where you don't need to cut corners. If you're going to have a quality build, have a quality build. Do it right. Thank y'all for being here. Appreciate everybody. Let me know what you thought about this video down in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, check out the channel for the other videos. See what you like. Subscribe button's free. Only takes a second. Appreciate everybody watching all the way through. I'll see you in the next one.